Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to another video. So today we're gonna be doing a replacement for my tailgate. So it's gonna be basically the cutting board flat panel, they call it, or something. It's by Hook. Yes, by HookeRoad from Amazon. They run about 150, and these are all the screws. We're gonna get started. Right now this is how it looks. So basically we're gonna have, how many bolts we have here? We got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. About 16 bolts. Should be an easy process. So here we go. So this is how it looks now. Finale. It's about 16 screws. It took me about less than 10 minutes to fix it. It's pretty cool. Nice. So now I can enjoy and cut stuff, put my beer over here, and ready to camp. Alright guys, so we're done. Now it's time to enjoy a nice cold Modelo. And we can try to use this one now. Please like and subscribe. Please like and subscribe. Please like and subscribe. Cheers. Alright, please like and subscribe. Nice cold Modelo.